Are you worried about losing all your food in the refrigerator or your freezer during a power outage? Here is my solution. This is my current emergency backup power setup, built around two Redodo 12-volt, 100 amp hour lithium batteries mounted inside this battery box. The batteries are wired together as a 12-volt battery bank, giving me about 200 amp hours of storage in the current configuration. Under normal conditions, the 30 amp charger will stay plugged into the wall outlet, but during an extended power outage, I will use my generator to power the charger and recharge the battery bank. The charger is powered from a heavy-duty extension cord that runs back to my Honda 2000-watt pure sine wave generator. For AC power output, I can plug in this Redodo 2000-watt pure sine wave inverter. The inverter connects to the battery box using a high-current Anderson 200 amp connector. On the front of the battery box, I installed the matching Anderson connector socket. This lets me quickly connect or disconnect the inverter without opening the battery box. Each battery has its own 200 amp fuse mounted directly on the positive battery post. This protects the wiring and helps isolate each battery connection in the system. I also added USB charging ports to the front of the battery box. These can be used for smaller devices like phones, tablets, flashlights, radios, and other USB-powered gear. Here I'm using a clamp meter to measure the charging current going into the battery bank. With the Victron charger running, the system is charging at about 30 amps. Next, I'll be upgrading this system from 2 batteries to 5, giving me a much larger 500 amp hour battery bank for extended backup power.